So to make it easy, you want to use your computer or laptop to do this. And then here on the desktop of the computer, you want to sign into your YouTube TV account at tv.youtube.com. Then you want to click right here on the shop icon at the top right of your screen. Right here, you can just click on all. And then you want to scroll down a bit until you see on Fox Nation. You want to click on Fox Nation. Here, you want to add the Fox Nation to your membership of YouTube TV, where you can get 7-day free trial too. Just click on next, and then you can complete your purchase by using your credit or debit card or even your PayPal. After that, just click on I agree and then start the membership of the Fox Nation for $8 per month. And then after you completed adding Fox Nation to your membership, to watch Fox Nation, where you can do both on your computer or TV or any streaming devices, you can click right here on the search icon to search for Fox Nation, and then just typing in for Fox Nation. Then you want to click on Fox Nation right here on network. And there you go. Right now you can just watch the Fox Nation channel without using TV cable on your smart TV. Just click on any show or movie that you want to watch. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to assist and help you guys. And that's how to add and watch Fox Nation on YouTube TV. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.